welcome back to my channel. My name is Passion, and today we are going to be doing a luxury unboxing. I got myself an early Christmas present, and so I decided to show you guys the boots that I got. So right now I'm just cutting the box open, struggling to cut the box open. I got these boots from Saks. They were having a sale in early November, and the boots were originally $250, and with the sale I got the boots for $200, and with tax and everything I think they ended up being $214. These are the Florrie lace-up rain boots. They are from the brand Chloe, and they are from Chloe's C by Chloe line. And so I got these boots in a size 41 because I am a US 10, so I typically wear a 41, 41.5 in European and Italian sizes. On the side of the box it says that these boots are a light rose color, but on Saks website it says that they are nude, and that color is what actually made me want to get these boots. I think that they are super duper cute. Right here I'm just showing you guys the care pamphlet that comes inside of the box, and then I'm showing you guys the dust bag that comes with the boots. These boots are made out of PVC and rubber because they are rain boots, as I mentioned before. I am going to be utilizing these boots as my fall winter boots. I wanted to get a new pair for the fall season and the winter season, and when I saw these I just had to have them. I think that they are super duper cute, and so these are definitely going to be my fall and winter boots. I do not have anything negative to say about these boots. I tried them on, as you guys will see in a minute, and they fit my foot just fine. They feel comfortable. They do not feel too tight. They do not feel too loose. I will say that I had a difficult time getting my foot into the boot. I had to take the laces out, and I still struggled getting my foot all the way in. But once they were finally in, I mean, they fit perfectly fine. I don't have any complaints about the way that they fit. I think that they look really, really cute on my feet, and I love the laces. I think that they're cute. They only came with one pair of laces though, so if you want to get these boots and you want white laces, you'll have to purchase them separately. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!